This video is sponsored by Casetify. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Technically T, hitting you with another video today, man. Another case review video for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And you already know we got cases up on deck from Casetify. So of course, a huge shout out to them for dropping me these over to review for you. So let's go ahead and jump into them. And you already know, when it comes to the Impact series, we do have their two cases. We have the Ultra Impact, which is going to be rated at 9.8 feet of drop protection. And we have the Impact series that's going to be rated at 6.6 feet of drop protection. And don't you worry, we will be getting to testing those drop test ratings a little bit later. But before we get going with the cases themselves, I do want to tell you a little bit about what Casetify has going on with the sustainability when it comes to their cases. Now, when you look at their case lineup, they are made of 65% plant-based and recyclable materials. And when you're looking at the packaging, this is going to be 100% recyclable and paper-like materials. So they have recovered everything when we're talking about going green and just being there for their environment and reducing their carbon footprint. Casetify is all about it. So let's go ahead and jump into the cases themselves. Let's go ahead and start off with the Ultra Impact, and then we'll go ahead and move over to the Impact series. All right, so here it is. This is going to be the Ultra Impact. This is going to provide you that most drop protection at that 9.8 feet. And the reason that is because it has these shock absorption bumpers at the top and on the bottom, and on the inside they have their new Chi-Tech 2.0 technology. Now, not only are their cases made out of those plant-based materials, but the actual material that they use for the Chi-Tech 2.0 to give us those 9.8 and 6.6 feet of drop protection, those are also made out of plant-based materials as well. So I told you, man, they are doing their thing when they're talking about going green and everything like that. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. And this just classic Casetify. This is what you to expect when we're talking about their cases. You're going to get that signature black ring that's going around that camera. You're going to have that raised power button here, raise volume up, volume down, cutout for our mute toggle, and flipping over on the bottom, you see the cutouts are spot on. So let's go ahead and grab the 13 Pro Max right here, and let's check it out. So here it is on the Ultra Impact. This is just one of their designs. You already know when it comes to Casetify, you can have so many designs. It's literally unreal. You can just get lost up there when you are talking about looking at all the designs and the customization that they have going on with their cases. So this is just one of the many that they provide. So let's go ahead and take a look at the buttons. Nice and tactile, zero issues as well. Getting to that mute toggle, it's recessed in there, but you can get to it easy. Flipping it over on the bottom, cutouts are spot on, no issues there. And also flipping over to that power button is nice and tactile. Also checking out that camera, because you know the cameras are a little bit thick when they come to the back of these. It is also protected, so you definitely don't have anything to worry about there. Now, taking a look at the layer on the table protection, this does have a nice lip that goes around it. Now, no, I am not running a tempered glass screen protector right now. Casetify does have their tempered glass. Now, we'll be putting this on a little bit later before we do the drop test. But even if you did have a tempered glass screen protector up there, you would definitely be good when we are talking about the dropsies, man, because it is just elevated enough on the top, on the bottom, and of course, 9.8 feet of drop protection. I really shouldn't have to talk much about layer on tail protection. So you already know how that goes. Now, how does the case fit? And Casetify always, and I'm not just saying this, but they've always had some of the best fitting cases in the game. And there is no difference when it comes to this one. Ultra Impact or Impact series, it really doesn't matter. Both of them fit amazing. So we're talking about the top. Nice snug fit when it comes to this, coming along the sides. Still get a little bit of snugness when it comes to the buttons, but as you work your way down the middle of it and to the bottom, no give at all. And then we're talking about the very bottom right here, which you already know is the most troubled places when it comes to cases. No give at all. It's very, very stiff. So the fit on this Casetify Ultra Impact series is A+++, if I can give that a rating, man. Just always amazing fit in cases. And how do they feel in your hands? You already know when it comes to these cases, probably would want a little bit more grip on the sides, but it's not terrible. You should be good to go. It kind of reminds you of holding a clear case. Now, all of these cases that I have based today are based off of a clear case design. So therefore, if you've got another one with the black bumper that's giving you that stiff TPU, you will of course get more grip, but it's not a deal breaker. And you already know with Casetify cases, they are some of the most slimmest and protective cases out there. So even though you're getting that crazy drop protection, you definitely are good. And it's not really bulking your phone up a whole bunch. And of course, let's go ahead and bring MagSafe over here. Now, this one right here, none of these cases right here that I have technically are MagSafe compatible, but they do have some MagSafe versions coming along down the line, and I'll probably show you some B-roll of what's going on with that here in a minute. But you definitely should be good. You can drop this on wireless charging, and it still works with regular wireless charging. And even though you might be able to grab MagSafe if you line it up the right way. So here is going to be the Ultra Impact series. Let's go ahead and take it over to the Impact and show you what it is with just a little bit of less drop protection. All right, so here it is. This is going to be the Impact series, and this is one to where you can customize it and put your own name on it. And you can actually feel the material that's actually printed on the case. So that's very nice, high quality stuff when we're talking about customization, as always, when it comes to these Casetify cases. So this one is going to be very similar to what we just reviewed with the Ultra Impact. You're going to get your same raised up volume up and down, cut out for your mute toggle, cutouts, that raised power button, and you know that signature black camera ring that's around it. So let's go ahead and snap it in, and let's go ahead and take a look. And of course, when you order these cases, you have many different options to choose from. You can do the clear bands like I've been showing you so far. And this is the other clear band where you can actually see that Chi-Tech 2.0, or you can get a black band to where you can't see out of it. It's just really depends on you. Design it to your liking. MagSafe, no MagSafe, you can really have some fun with it. So let's go ahead and take a look at this Impact series. So volume up, volume down, very nice and tactile, getting to that mute toggle, not hard at all. Buttons, spot ports, cut out, spot on, and raise that volume at power button, nice and tactile, no issues there. And you have that raised up camera hump there. So taking a look at that lay on tear protection, you already know when it comes to this, you do have that nice little lip, a little bit less protection than your Ultra Impact series rated at 6.6, but trust me, you are good to go. If you do want to set this on or down on its face, you're definitely straight, no worries there. Next up, how does it feel on the phone? And this really is no different than the Ultra Impact series. Super duper snug fit. So on that top is snug, coming along on the sides, very snug all the way down, no give. When it comes to that bottom, very stiff as well. So once again, just an amazing fit when it comes to this case. And how does it feel in your hands? Feels similar to the Ultra Impact series. They're going to be very similar in feel, except this one you don't feel those extra bumpers on the side. So that's something that you do got to take note of. But other than that, you're getting that drop protection. It adds a little bit of thickness to your device, but once again, you are talking about good drop protection when it comes to these cases. And working on wireless charging, of course, like I said, they do have MagSafe available as a version, but you can wind it up and line it up perfect just like I did in order to activate that MagSafe. So just like I told you, we was going to go ahead and put that drop test to test. Let's go ahead and get up out of here, man. Let's take it outside. All right, so we outside. We got the Impact series up first. You already know 6.6 feet of drop protection. It's a little bit rainy outside. It's just me, but we got to get the drop test done. So I'm gonna flip this camera around, flip the mic around, and we're gonna probably scare myself while doing this drop test, but let's go ahead and do it. Everything works just fine. As you can see, everything is working perfect. No issues at all. Camera, everything intact. So this is 6.6 feet of drop protection. So we're gonna bring it right here. I'm about 6 feet myself. So we're gonna go ahead and drop it down. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that was a hard fall. Ouch. But if you can see, everything is good, man. It landed on the camera area, which is very smart. You see right there, it landed on the camera area and nothing is wrong with it. You can see it took a damage right there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the screen. All right. Screen works good. Let's go ahead and cut the camera on. Boom. Camera works just fine. No issues there, man. So that's going to be the Impact. Let's just do one more, you know, for all the naysayers out there. Let's just do it one more time real quick to make sure everything is copacetic. So let's drop it one more time. 3, 2, 1. All right. Let's take a look at it again. Everything is good. Nothing wrong with it. Let's pop this camera on. Perfect. Nothing wrong with it at all. So let's go ahead and make us a little bit more scared, man. Let's go ahead and get the Ultra Impact and let's see how that one is going to do with the drop test. All right, so here we are, man. Ultra Impact. We got the big boy drop protection up here. We got that 9.8 feet of drop protection. Let's just go ahead and make it happen. Let's see what we can do. And let's go ahead and reach for the sky on this one. All right, let's go ahead and reach it up high as my hand can go. And we're going to do it. 3, 2, 1. All right. Taking a look at it, the camera was on, so everything is good. Take a look at the back. Take a look at me with the camera. Everything is spot on. I didn't like that drop, man. Let's do it one more time, all right? Let's just do it one more time. I didn't really care for that drop. Let's give you a little bit more of a scary one. So Let's just tool like this. 3, 2, 1. All right. I didn't let that drop either, man. So we gonna look at it. Everything is good. We got the dirt and the debris on it. I don't like that drop either, man. Let's do it one more time. Let's get crazy, all right? Let's just throw it up. There we go. All right. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's how you gotta do that drop test. Just toss it all around, man. People always say you don't drop it good enough. Well, I don't know how you want me to drop it, all right? So there it is. Perfectly fine when it comes to the Ultra Impact. So, I mean, hey, I don't know what you, hey, they do what they are designed to do, all right? Let's get back inside. Woo! All right, so I hope you enjoyed that little bit of drop test that I did, man. I'm always nervous to do these drop tests because I don't like dropping my phone in no type cases, all right? That's just what it is, but it's good to see that they have you covered when they're talking about their Impact series and their Ultra Impact. So just to wrap everything up, man, when you're looking at their two cases, they are going to be 100% BPA free and 100% non-toxic, non-hazardous. And as well, featuring Defensify that's going to block 99% of that antimicrobial bacteria from even sticking to the surface of your phone. Now, last but not least, we got to talk about Casetify's drop to 0, and that's going to include their Casetify program. So I know if you're upgrading to a new iPhone, I'm pretty sure you have old cases just laying around. I mean, I know I do. I probably need to do this myself. So what you can do is send those old cases into Casetify. They will take them, do their thing with them, recycle them, and actually produce another case that's called a Crush series that are made out of recyclable materials. So that's going to be good when you are talking about everything that's going on with their sustainability efforts. And if you do participate in that program, they will give you a little bit of discount to go out there and order your new cases, and then you can order your new iPhone 13 cases. You already know I got you with the link down below, www.casetify.com/technicallyt for 15% off of your order. As soon as you click on that link, the discount will already be applied, so you don't have to worry about putting a discount on. But you already know, Technical T, I'm about to get up out of here, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn that bell on, so you don't miss out on any future videos with accessories going on with the iPhone 13. But until next time, everyone be safe. Catch you on the next one. Later.